Marker Colbert Speed Recovery Finish Network. You probably clicked on this video because you may have sealed your driveway last year and you got some cracking coming through, or maybe your driveway was just too rough for a sealer to actually fill in all the cracks and imperfections. If that's true, you clicked on the right video. All right, so I sealed my driveway last year. It did come out looking better than what it was. It was a atrocious mess before. However, this driveway was way beyond just needing a quick seal. It was really, really rough. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do what's called a driveway resurfacer. Driveway resurfacer and a driveway sealer both get applied in the same manner. However, a driveway resurfacer is a lot thicker. It's like 10 times thicker than a driveway sealer, and it's going to fill in a lot more of those imperfections like alligator cracking and things like that. Moving along to getting your driveway prepped, we pressure washed it the night before. Now today, we're just pulling a couple last weeds. And then the last and final step, we got our leaf blower here. We're going to go ahead and blow off the driveway multiple times, do multiple passes, walk in circles, dance, however you want to do it. You got to get this thing 100%, or at least almost 99% dust-free, leaf-free, and all that stuff for this stuff to stick. There's very many expensive driveway resurfacer products on the market. I decided to make my own. We have the Latex-ite trowel patch, very thick. We're going to mix it 4 parts. Trowel patch, 1 part Latex-ite driveway sealer. And we're going to make our own custom driveway resurfacer. We got the Bear mixer to go ahead and mix everything up. You want to go ahead and mix up your trowel patch first because that stuff can be kind of inconsistent. And then dump it right in your sealer and you're good to go. Now, when making your own driveway resurfacer, make sure you mix it very consistently, make sure you mix it thoroughly, and then always check the consistency when you're done. Check your final product. It should look something like this. Go ahead, grab yourself a driveway squeegee, and you're ready to spread. Now, when spreading the material, I like to just go ahead and just dump the whole bucket out at once. Don't dump a little teeny bit at a time. Dump the whole thing, spread the whole bucket out at one time. And I also like to just go ahead and leave the bucket upside down, as you can see to the right of me. Let the rest of the material drain out, and then we go ahead and mix up a fresh bucket. As far as spreading, you just want to go ahead and spread it out even and smooth. Pull it tight to the substrate. Don't leave big blobs of material because it will shrink up and it will crack. As you guys can see, I'm kind of double lapping. I'm spreading one way, and then I'm pulling the material an opposite way to go ahead and pull in all those lines left over and keep it nice and tight to the substrate. And you will notice pull by pull, spread by spread. This is a very satisfying project. As you guys can see, the first bucket came out nice, filled in a lot of imperfection. right, so here we have the semi-finished product. As you guys can see, it's still drying a little bit. We did a patch to the left, then we did a patch to the right, and then we just slowly worked our way back into the garage, back into our mixing station behind us, which is an absolute mess. When resurfacing a driveway, you do have to realize that, nothing is going to come out as good as a brand spanking new driveway, but this will really buy you a lot of time. As you guys can see with filming here, it did fill in a lot of the imperfections and do a decent job. This is a classic situation of just trying to make the best of a really bad situation. This driveway, completely shot. I mean, it really needed to be ripped up and replaced. However, with a little bit of cleaning, pressure washing, I think I spent maybe 150 bucks, 100 bucks on material, and some good old sweat equity. You really can take an old driveway that is beat to crap, and turn it around for the better and get another year or two out of it. My professional opinion, I think I could probably get maybe another 3 to 5 years out of this driveway if I coated it next year and then coated it the year after that. So there you go. There you have it. I'm going to give this a full 24-hour cure, and I'm going to come back with you guys because it is going to look a little bit different after it dries, and we'll see how she looks. All right, final result, all dry. It's been drying for probably about a week in the sun. Not perfect, but it looks like 10 times better than what it did before. It really, really did help to fill in a lot of the alligator cracking. It's got a nice black finish. One thing I really like about this sealer is so far, I got a couple tracks and dirt spots in it, but it washes off in the rain really, really good. It keeps it black and looking really nice. So there you guys have it. If you're looking for a way to resurface an old beat up driveway and maybe get a couple extra years out of it, this is really a seriously awesome method to doing that. Don't spend your money. Don't go out and buy these. There is specific products that are designed for alligator cracking for driveways that are fully alligator cracked all the way through. Don't waste your money. You're going to spend $1,000, $1,500. It's very expensive stuff. We made it ourselves for about 43 to 45 bucks a bucket. I used about 5 buckets, so this is very affordable to do. And as you guys saw, pretty easy to do.